Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. I'm your teacher Irum from Black Castle. Let's start. Subject Maths. Could you tell me what's the day today? Yes, Monday. And could you tell me what's the date today? Yes, 27 April 2020. Okay, now can you see the whiteboard? Here is the topic. Now see the topic, and our topic is draw the lines and curves by following the path from big dot to star. Alright? Okay. Now shall we start? Start from big dot and follow the all dot. Join them together. Tick 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 tick. Yes, done. Alright, now again. Start from big dot, follow the dots, trace it slowly, slowly. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Yeah, I'm done. Again, start from big dot, follow the dots and go straight, 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 straight and touch the star. Yes, I'm done. Start from big dot, follow the dots and trace it slowly, slowly. Slowly, 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 slowly. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Trace it slowly, 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 slowly. Yes. And touch the star. Yay. Oh, wow. I've done. Look. Now again, start from big dot, follow the dots and trace it slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Tick, 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 tick. Touch the star. Yes. Alright, students, look at this page. Page number 6. This is your homework page. Alright. Now you can trace it. I know that. Will you trace? Oh, yes. Okay, now complete your homework and mothers kindly mention the date and day on the top of the page. Alright, students, complete your work. Allah Hafiz.